What's up, everybody? It's Cinna, and today's video is gonna be about redoing my vision board. So, if y'all don't know, I'm super into self-improvement. So, here's my old board. As you can see, we have a house, we have money, we have Twitch viewers, subscribers on YouTube, 1 million, the beach, some aesthetic I like, a bank account with a whole lot of money, in it, and yeah, some yeah. So there's a reason why we're redoing this, because first of all, this guy, we're not even built the same like from the start, and I don't know if I really want to get this big, but I don't know if I want to get that big. This aesthetic, I mean, it's nice, I still like it, this whole board is just lacking the the punch that I need, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're redoing it completely, and if you want to follow along, you can do that. I'm gonna show you the steps and stuff like that to follow. That down later. The 3 steps to doing it is, the first one, you gotta write down your goals. I have my goals somewhere. Let me look for it real quick. Get your list of goals. Find your list of goals. You can pause it, do whatever you want to do if you want to see, get some info. And then we're gonna find pictures that relate to the goals. I have a little bit of pictures, but we're gonna look for some more on my computer, and I'll bring you right to it.
We'll save this picture. So yeah, just like that, it's simple. So we're gonna do this the rest of it. I'll skip ahead to when I have all the pictures and they're printed out. But the major tip that I'll have to say about this is make sure that the pictures you choose aren't just any pictures. If it's a goal that you want, get the picture that inspires you the most, that fits you. Like, let's just say you want a house. Like, I want a house. I'm gonna find a house that only I would live in, not just any house, not a huge mansion just because it's a mansion. Something that fits you, that resonates with you, is what I'm going for. So this play button is, I'm really feeling it. Like, this right here is gonna keep me motivated.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna pin them, and I was told to have something as a focal point. So like, this is the card, or that's the houses. The cars, I think, as the focal point of the cars, I have the 2017 Honda Accord Sport in the middle of the board, just completely there. The things nothing has to be like within the constraints of the board. If it hangs off, as long as it's pinned well, or glued down well, everything is fine. There's no rules with this, so just do whatever feels right. Just close it in. All this is still related to the house. That's not bad at all. I don't want anything to really overlap unless it's like an unimportant parts, like the shoes in this that I showed you all. I don't like his shoes, so I don't mind overlapping the shoes. And honestly, forget putting the Honda Accord Sport as the center. It's just the most achievable, not most achievable, but the closest, the easiest car to get at this moment, because it's way cheaper than both of the Teslas. But I think I'm gonna put this one up there, front and center. Sponsored by pretty good for a rough sketch. Let me take this out real quick. This is just like a rough plan. But look at that, like, you cannot tell me that this is not good. Hey, we're back and we're finished, boys. We're finished. I just want to let you know. Kind of sad because I just spilled all these thumbtacks, to be honest. They're like everywhere on the floor. Like, my vibe's kind of killed, but we're going to keep it up. We're going to finish this one out. So, this right here. Oh my goodness, this is huge. I can't even fit it all on camera, actually. One second.
Alright, we're back, and since this board is so big and my room just so happens to be perfectly cramped to where I couldn't get this board to fit anywhere without it looking extremely awkward. So as you can see in the top left, we have it surrounded by green. There's green pins inside of each of those, but I didn't know if you all could see them or not. Those are materialistic goals. And at this moment, all I need is just a car. All I need is a car, honestly. Being sponsored, I guess you could say that's materialistic. So we have the Honda Accord Sport up top left, 2017 sedan. We have on the second row Tesla 3, It's painted matte black. I want mine to be white with a black tint. And we have on the bottom a Tesla Roadster 2020. As you can see in the top right, we have the purple, and down here at the I'm grateful for in the fans. This is my lifestyle goals. Like, I want to skateboard because I enjoy skateboarding. I want my fashion to be like these two guys up here in the top right, and I want my physique to be like the guy in the top right corner. I had the guy before that I showed you all, like, he was busted, like this guy was huge, and I just decided to, like, I don't want to look like that. I want to be like I still want to be slim. I don't want to be like an entire unit. Then we have the fans in the bottom left. I want fans, a lot of them. I just want to influence a lot of people in a good way, and I'm grateful because, you know, being grateful should be everybody's lifestyle, honestly. And then in the red, we have the houses, we have the living suit, we have the bar area, which not really bar area, but just like a nice kitchen, open area to talk, chat. If you had a whole lot of people over, it'd be a good time. We have the walk-in closet, the big one in the center, the Netflix and chill theater room, right side, the front of the house. It's just nice. The very bottom big picture, we have another house that I can see myself being in. Like, this fits me to a T, in my opinion. And in the bottom right, we have the bedroom. I love this bedroom. I'm gonna have this bedroom. That is the entire point of me putting it up here on this board. I am missing two things, which is the $10,000 that I did want to save up. I do want to save up $10,000, so I gotta put that on there, like a $10,000 check or a bank account with $10,000 in it. And a YouTube silver play button, which is, ironically, I saved it to my computer, but it didn't print out because my computer ran out of ink. So we're gonna get that YouTube silver play button up there and $10,000, and that's it. We're just gonna be able to look at it. I have it in a really good position. I'll show you all a picture of that. As soon as I walk into my room, I don't have a choice but to see it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Way better than what we had before. And yeah, hopefully you all did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, make sure to subscribe. I'll be getting weekly uploads out minimum. If I get another upload or another good idea, I'll upload another video that week, but don't count on it. Weekly uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.